In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the whiteboard in Zoom. If you've ever wanted to sketch an idea, outline a plan in real time, or simply jot down notes everyone can follow, the whiteboard is a simple, built-in space for visual collaboration right inside your meeting. Here's how to get to it. With your Zoom meeting window open, look along the bottom toolbar and click on More. This is usually represented by 3 small dots. From that menu, select Whiteboard. As soon as you choose it, a clean canvas opens up on your screen. That's it. No complicated setup required. You're now ready to use the whiteboard, and everyone in the meeting will be able to see what you create as you work. Once the whiteboard is open, think of it like a shared digital notepad. You can draw freehand lines to sketch quick diagrams, circle key points during a discussion, or underline details you want to emphasize. You can also type text for headings, bullet points, or clear action items, so people don't have to guess what a doodle means. If color helps your team follow along, switch between different hues to separate topics or highlight priorities. Shapes can be helpful too. Clean boxes for lists, arrows to show flow, and simple check marks to track decisions as they happen. If you make a mistake, don't worry. There's an easy way to undo your last action or erase parts you don't need. Keeping your notes large and high, contrast makes them easier for everyone to read, especially for participants on smaller screens. Talk through your drawing as you go, pacing your explanations so viewers have time to follow each change on the canvas. Everyone in the meeting can see the whiteboard in real time. Depending on your meeting settings, you may also allow others to contribute, which is great for brainstorming or capturing feedback live. If you're leading a session, set expectations up front. Let people know when you're writing, when you're pausing for input, and when you're moving on, so the conversation stays focused. When you're finished using the whiteboard, you can return to your regular meeting view at any time and continue your discussion with the ideas you just clarified together. And that's all there is to it. Click More, ask on the bottom bar, select Whiteboard, and you're ready to draw, write, and present your ideas clearly to everyone in the meeting. With a few thoughtful habits, clear text, simple shapes, and steady pacing, you'll turn your Zoom whiteboard into a powerful tool for collaboration.